This could possibly be either the best or worst decision I've ever made in my life. It is never too late to go ahead and jump on your dreams and just go 100% into it, and that's exactly what I'm doing this year. This year, one of the things I want to do is to get a warehouse. This is going to be the year that we officially get a shop/warehouse. For as long as I can remember, I've wanted a shop. Just a little space for me and my buddies to hang out, work on cars, film amazing content, and overall just have a good time. And today, I think I can officially say that we have done just that. Behind this door right here is something that I've been working towards for the past 4 years. And I still can't believe I'm about to say this, but boys, welcome to our new shop. Boys, we have officially did it. We secured the bag. We have officially gotten our very own shop. Feels crazy to say it. Like, we're standing in our very own shop. This is something that I've wanted for the past 4 years, and it finally happened. It still feels very unreal. I'm gonna be completely transparent with you guys. I didn't know what to say. Since we signed the lease to the shop, I've been speechless, and I didn't know what I would say once I pick up the camera, and I thought maybe if I just pick up the camera, I'll know what to say. The words will just flow out. But let me tell you guys, that is not the case. I've been speechless. I'm still speechless. Like, I don't know what to say other than holy crap. We have done it. Like, oh my God. It's been about a week since we signed the lease to this place, and I'm still just looking around like, holy crap, what the hell? I apologize in advance, guys. I know this video is gonna be like kind of all over the place just because I'm super excited and I can't get my thoughts out. Let me try my best to explain everything to you guys and just tell you guys what the deal is and what's going on and all that good stuff. So as you guys know, we have officially gotten our very own shop. We got Amanda's car here, we got my car here, and some of you guys might be wondering, what the heck is this? Whose car is this? We'll get to that in a bit, and no, that is not my car. So we finally got ourselves a new warehouse. Got 3 cars in here. This is definitely a big step up from the 1-car garage we started from. From shooting videos in my driveway to my friend's garage to my 1-car garage and then 2-car garage and now to this warehouse. This is by far the biggest step up that we've taken. I literally can't believe this is real. Like, this is such a massive space. This is something that I've been dreaming about for years. This is something that a bunch of other people just constantly dream about, and I have the honor of just having it. I have the honor of living out my dream. It's insane. You know what? I'm getting off track again. Let me go ahead and show you guys the entrance and just give you guys a little shop tour. Let's go ahead by giving you guys a little look into the office. Now, this is the office space. It is kind of bare right now. We got a little couch. We got a TV that we still have to hang. We already got one desk set up over here, and then we're gonna get another desk set up right over here along that wall. All the computer work and like little hangout spot once we need some rest is gonna be in this room. There's really not much else to this room. I definitely want to put up some pictures of our cars on the walls, just kind of decorate a little bit. It looks really plain right now. I want it to look like a car guy's office. Now, stepping into the warehouse, this is my place. This is where I'm gonna be spending most of my time. We have got a massive freaking warehouse, dude. This is insane. I know some of you guys are probably gonna be thinking like, yo, it's really not that massive of a warehouse. To me, this thing is massive. I know other people have bigger warehouses. I hope that one day we can step up to even a bigger warehouse, but for now, this warehouse is massive to me. This is definitely a big step up. We got 3 cars in here right now, and we can still fit probably 2 cars right here, and that's without even having a lift. We're definitely gonna need to grow into this space. We're gonna need to bring in some big equipment and a bunch of more tools. You guys can kind of see it right now. If the cars weren't in here, this shop would be empty as hell. We definitely need some flags. We need some more tools. We need some bigger tools, a lift, all that good stuff. But yeah, boys, here is the space. Now, I know this is something really small, but for some reason, I actually really appreciate it. We have a little shop sink, so we can wash our hands and stuff and not get our cars dirty once we step inside of them. That is huge. Having a shop sink is just getting me so hyped for some reason. And then over here, we have our very own bathroom. Now, the bathroom is clean right now because we cleaned the crap out of it. Well, actually, that's a lie. I didn't clean the crap out of it. Liz and Amanda cleaned the crap out of it. But the bathroom is really clean now. We definitely need to change this mirror out because, like, look at my eye level. I literally can't even see my face. I have to bend down. But what's going on, guys? Other than that, though, there's really not much to show you guys around. We were gonna make that a storage place, but instead of making it a storage thing, we're thinking of actually making it a little like loft hangout area. I think that would be pretty cool. We're thinking we'll put some like stairs right over here and some railings so nobody falls off, and kind of make that like the hangout area so that this could just be like a full-time office. Now, we have a little surprise from BeaKhan coming. Now, if you guys know what BeaKhan is, or you guys know what brand that is, or you guys have heard of that, you guys know what I'm talking about. For the rest of you, it's still a surprise. So I'm not gonna give away what it is right now, but the surprise that we have coming from BeaKhan, we're thinking of putting it right over here. Now, originally we were thinking of getting 2, maybe putting one over here and then one over here, but the only problem with that is that we would be a little cramped. The
whole reason why we got this warehouse is to not feel so cramped. For the meantime, I think we're just gonna stick with one surprise from BeaKhan, so we're gonna put it right over here so that this will be the main work area. Having the cars lined up over here gives us plenty of space over here to actually like work on things. Like say we have a motor on a motor stand or a transmission out, we can just work on everything right here. We have more than enough room to film and work on stuff without losing things. So far, that's the idea right now. Now, we're not 100% on this idea. This is just the best idea that we can think of with working on our cars and being able to film and all that good stuff. If you guys have any suggestions on how we should set this warehouse up, definitely let me know down in the comments because I need to know ASAP. We want to sort everything out and have everything permanently in where it's going to be. We got the Exetti flag over there and then we got the Tome flag over there, but I want to decorate this wall. I don't want it to be so plain. I don't know, should we leave it plain or should we actually decorate it with like flags or something?
This is all still very new, so we don't know, like, do we decorate the shop? Do we leave it plain so it's like more professional, or do we make it feel homey? All that is just something that we don't know yet. So if you guys have any suggestions, definitely leave it down in the comments. I really appreciate whenever you guys give me feedback or suggestions. Now it's time to get into whose toolbox and whose 350 that is. Now I keep saying we, I keep saying our warehouse. Now obviously it's me and you guys, but I am proud to announce that I am gonna be sharing this warehouse with one of my good friends, Liz. A lot of you might know her as Macbeth. This is her 350, that is her toolbox, and we are sharing this warehouse together. We signed the lease literally just a week ago, and this is officially our warehouse.
You guys are going to be seeing a lot of her and her other cars. She has this 350 and then she has 2 more cars that we're going to be building, so there's going to be a lot of work going on in this warehouse. Not gonna lie, your boy's a little scared of heights, but I think the view from up there is just going to be so dope, being able to see all the cars. By the way, yeah, we got another car parked in here. We'll get into that in a bit, but time to face my fears and go up there. This is the highest I've been on the ladder so far, so I think this is good progress for today. That's not going up there, but here, you guys can get the view right over here. Damn, bro, this ladder is really shaky. Yo, jump. Yo, this ladder is so shaky, bro. Oh my god. Oh, yo, chill. Woo.
One day I'll be able to climb that. Today's not that day.
We did a little rearranging because we got a special guest in the house today. What's up, Tumor?
What up, bro?
I don't know if we ever posted that video, but Tumor had a red STI back in the day. And I think we posted a video when we put a Tome on there. I'm not really sure, but
yeah, we did.
Yeah, you got rid of the STI and you got a Type R. And I'm not gonna lie, this Type R is so goddamn clean, dude. I love this color. It's the new like boosted blue. Is that right? Is it boosted blue? Dude, this color is gorgeous. I'm a big fan of like rear wheel drives. I'm not really a front wheel drive guy, but I could really drive this car. This thing looks gorgeous. Is it gonna be as loud as your old STI though?
Yeah, I'm gonna make it twice as loud. The
really?
double Tome with the fucking catalyst.
I remember we put the Tome on his STI and it was just insane, like ridiculously loud. It didn't work?
No.
You need some glue gun for that.
It's all over. When I get it washed, then I'll see.
It's, yeah, it's most likely the tire shine, dude. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera. He got some like black spots all over his beautiful paint. It's probably the tire shine, just slinged right off.
Just gotta close up the shop because we're gonna go out for a little rip. It's gonna be my first time driving a Type R, so I'm really excited.
Honda absolutely killed it with this interior, dude. This is literally the most comfortable sports car that I've been in. Have you been in a more comfortable sports car?
Not really.
This is the perfect amount of sportiness and comfort. Like these seats hug you like crazy. Okay. I barely stepped on it, bro. I'm too nervous. It's your car. Here, on the way back. All right, so what do you just pull it up? That is weird. Oh, electronic handbrake is weird, man. I'm a little too scared to step on it. It's not my car, so Tumor's gonna step on it and we're gonna feel it. Did we just lose traction? No.
For a stock car, this thing is quick.
Oh, it's really comfy. The seats are like one of my favorite parts. It's literally amazing. All you need for this car, not even suspension, because the suspension is amazing. Yeah. Just an exhaust. That's all you need. Once you get an exhaust for this car, it's literally going to be perfect. Honest opinions, right? This is your first time at the shop. What do you think about it?
Bro, it's fucking amazing.
Do you like it?
It's big, you got a lot of room.
Definitely a little step up from the garage though. He's been in the garage plenty of times and it's kind of tight to work in there. It was alright. The shop is definitely a little step up and I'm really glad. I mean, hopefully now that we have this space and it's not too far from your house, we can do stuff with your car this summer. Do you guys want to see a Type R on the channel? I think a Type R build would be pretty cool. There's nothing I want to do more than just get cracking on the STI, but until the surprise comes in from BeaKhan, we're gonna kind of just take it easy on the car mods because I really want that to come in first. Right now, we're gonna be focusing on the shop. We're just gonna be doing some shop mods. Now, you guys missed it the other day. I forgot to pull out the camera, but Jay finally came through and Jay kind of helped assemble stuff with the shop. I might actually have some clips of Jay helping put stuff together.
Are you good, bro?
Yeah. I got fat fingers. This is my daily struggle at work.
What, fat fingers?
Yeah.
We got this couch assembled, we got this desk assembled, we got a little drawer assembled, and we actually had a different table over here. We had like a little dinky table. Liz somehow got lucky and found this desk. When we went to IKEA, this desk was completely sold out. They told us it wasn't gonna be back in stock for like 2 weeks. So we settled for like a dinky little desk. I think I might still have a video of it, but it was an ugly looking little desk.
Amanda's been talking about how she wants to edit these videos for like the longest time. So I didn't want to give her like a dinky little desk to work on. So I drove like an hour and a half away to an IKEA and they luckily had it in stock. We got the desk that Amanda actually wants and she has no idea that I got it for her. She has no idea that we got rid of the little desk. So I'm really excited to surprise her with this desk because I know she's gonna love it. What's really funny is that I can build a car, no problem. But when it comes to building furniture, for some reason, I just suck at it. So I have the option of reading the instructions and doing it how the instructions say to do it. This is definitely gonna be the smarter thing to do, to follow these instructions, but you guys should know me. I'm not gonna use the instructions until I absolutely have to. How hard could this really be, right?
Probably goes, yeah, that probably goes there.
Oh, you know what we need? Power tools. Say what's up to the bros.
What's up, bros?
Are you coming to the shop?
Want me to?
Yeah, come to the shop. I got a little surprise at the shop and you'll see it when you get here. So Amanda is like 30 minutes away, so that kind of works out for me.
Everything is done. Time for the final touch, baby. Boom, there we go. Call me Bob the Builder, dude. Look at that.
What's up? Hi.
Oh, you found it!
Yeah.
Where'd you find it?
Really far. Yeah, it was mad far. Hold on. We got the desk that you wanted.
I have to sit. Hold on.
Go ahead.
I feel more executive.
Wait, do you like it?
I love it.
Because this is the desk that you wanted.
I did. I really wanted it.
To be honest, did you kind of have a feeling it was the desk? When I told you I was surprised, did you kind of know?
Kind of.
You kind of knew?
A little bit.
Alright, because I saw you didn't look that surprised. So I was just like, alright, I think she
I
knows.
kind of know.
When I said I have a surprise for you, I kind of gave it away, didn't I?
A little bit.
Ah, damn it. But whatever, at least we got the desk that you wanted, right?
The office is looking mad official now. The only thing we have left to do in the office is to put the TV on the wall, which I'm not gonna do.
Amanda insisted that she change out of her work clothes before she gets in front of the camera. So now that you're all changed, what do you think about the shop? Do you think it was an upgrade? Do you think it was the right move? What do you think?
Oh, it was totally the right move. It was an upgrade.
The fact that we have 2 cars right here and we can comfortably work on both cars. Like, that's wild.
Like I keep saying, it still feels unreal. Like, this is our shop. Like, it's just crazy that we're standing in our shop. It's something that we've been talking about for the longest time. It's something that I've wanted forever. And the fact that we're here right now, the fact that I'm seeing my car, Amanda's car, Liz's car, it's just wow. It really does just blow my mind. And I'm really thankful for you guys. Without you guys watching and supporting, I really wouldn't have been able to pull the trigger on something like this. Like, this is insane. There's not really much else I want. Like, besides wanting other cars, this is all I've wanted. Like, Amanda knows that I've been talking about wanting a shop for the longest time, and we have one. I have to give credit to where it's due. I'm thankful for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting the videos, because if you guys didn't do that, we wouldn't have been able to pull the trigger on such a big decision like this. I'm definitely very thankful for Amanda because she supported me and like had my back throughout this whole process, and I'm thankful for my little brother and my family and just all my friends. Really crazy because this is one of the biggest decisions and one of the biggest moves I've ever made. It's I really don't know what to say. Like, this is just crazy. Like, thank you guys so much. And to think that one day we're gonna grow out of this place. Like right now, we still have to grow into this place. We're still like barely taking up any room, and eventually we'll have a bunch of things. The plan is to one day hopefully grow out of this shop. This isn't a permanent thing. Like, this is one step up from a garage, but the plan is to eventually get my own warehouse, maybe something even bigger with more cars and more projects as time goes on.
Just seeing the cars over here and seeing the tools just makes me genuinely happy.
It definitely wasn't the easiest decision in the world to just make, just to pull the trigger and get a warehouse. Like, let me tell you boys, this thing does not come cheap. This thing is really hurting our pockets, and I don't have like merch or anything that you guys can buy. Maybe one day we'll have stuff like that, but at the moment, if you guys do want to support me, I would really appreciate it. The biggest thing you guys can do to support is like and share the videos. If you guys could just do that, I would really appreciate it. It would help out the channel insanely. You guys don't even know. I would really appreciate if you guys could do that. That would be huge. Other than that though, I really don't know what to say. It's
Do you know what to say? Are you speechless too? Because I'm just speechless right now.
I think it's just amazing.
It's amazing. It's like, wow. What I was saying is that this is proof that dreams do in fact come true.
They do.
I've been dreaming about this for the longest time, and I guess that's why I'm speechless, because it's like, it just still feels unreal. I guess once we spend some more time in here and we put our stuff up and things start to get a little bit more permanent, we'll be able to actually like absorb it. But like, the past week has been so hectic with moving and paperwork and just cleaning that I haven't really been able to just sit back, look at everything, and just absorb everything.
for all you guys that have been supporting me since day one, all you OGs, and everybody that's been supporting me regardless, like if you were an OG or not, for everybody that is supporting me, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much. You guys make all this possible. The plan is to one day upgrade and get something even bigger than this. As the channel keeps growing, we're gonna get some more projects and we're gonna get even a bigger space. Damn, it is beautiful out. We're finally getting warmer weather, and that is awesome because warm weather means car season means car meets and car shows and just having fun and going on cruises and all that good stuff that comes with it. So I'm really excited, but we are gonna go ahead and start editing this video so this is out ASAP, because I want to start pushing out 2 videos a week now. Now that we got a warehouse, we have to film more content, baby. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for supporting, and especially for all you guys that have been watching for years now, thank you so much. From the bottom of my heart, really, thank you for supporting me for this whole time. We will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.